In today's digital landscape, travel content has emerged as a powerful medium for storytelling and inspiration. With millions of viewers seeking travel experiences online, creators have a unique opportunity to share their adventures while generating income. High-quality travel videos not only captivate audiences, but also attract lucrative advertising opportunities. Platforms like YouTube offer high CPM, cost per thousand impressions, ads, which can significantly boost revenue for content creators. By leveraging tools like Pictory, creators can easily transform their travel footage into engaging videos that resonate with viewers. Pictory's user-friendly interface allows for seamless editing, ensuring that your travel stories shine. In this section, we will explore the essential strategies for creating compelling travel videos that not only engage your audience but also maximize your earning potential. You will learn how to effectively monetize your travel content, optimize your videos for search engines, and attract high-paying advertisers. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting your journey, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to turn your passion for travel into a profitable venture. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey of creativity and income generation. Step 1. Identify your target audience for travel content. Understanding your target audience is crucial for creating impactful travel content. Audience needs. Start by researching demographics that are interested in travel, focusing on factors such as age, location, and interests. For instance, younger audiences may prefer adventure travel, while older viewers might seek luxury experiences. Knowing these details helps tailor your content to meet their preferences. Analyze competitors' channel. Next, analyze successful travel channels to gain insights into their audience engagement strategies. Look at the types of videos they produce, the comments they receive, and how they interact with their viewers. This analysis can reveal what resonates with audiences and what keeps them coming back for more. Choose your niche. Finally, define your niche within the travel content landscape. Whether it's budget travel, solo adventures, or family-friendly trips, having a specific focus will help you attract a dedicated viewer base. By honing in on your niche, you can create content that speaks directly to your audience's interests and needs. This targeted approach not only enhances viewer engagement, but also increases the likelihood of building a loyal community around your travel brand. Understanding your audience is the first step towards successful monetization and content creation. Step 2. Create compelling travel videos using Pictory. What is Pictory? Pictory is an AI-powered platform that transforms text content into engaging video summaries, automating video creation, editing, and enhancing visual storytelling for marketers and content creators. Check out the link in the description to get started with this amazing tool. Creating captivating travel videos is essential for engaging your audience and showcasing your adventures. Pictory offers a range of features that allow you to edit and enhance your travel footage effectively. With its intuitive interface, you can easily trim clips, add transitions, and incorporate text overlays that highlight key moments of your journey. Create compelling story. Incorporating engaging storytelling elements is crucial for captivating your viewers. Start by crafting a narrative that guides your audience through your travel experience. Whether it's sharing personal anecdotes, cultural insights, or travel tips, a well-structured story keeps viewers invested in your content. Use Pictory's tools to emphasize these elements, making your video not just a visual experience, but an emotional one as well. Create high-quality video. Additionally, ensure that your visuals and sound quality are top-notch. High-quality footage and clear audio are vital for maintaining viewer interest. Pictory allows you to enhance your video's visuals with filters and effects, while also enabling you to adjust audio levels for a polished final product. By focusing on these aspects, you can create compelling travel videos that resonate with your audience and encourage them to return for more. Step 3. Optimize your videos for YouTube. SEO. What is SEO? Search engine optimization is the practice of improving your visibility so that you show up higher in search engine results like Google. Optimizing your travel videos for YouTube SEO is essential for increasing visibility and attracting viewers. Keyword. Start by researching relevant keywords that align with your content. Incorporate these keywords into your video title and description to improve search rankings. A well-crafted title not only captures attention, but also informs potential viewers about the content they can expect. Thumbnail. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is another crucial aspect of optimization. Thumbnails serve as the first impression of your video, so make them visually appealing and representative of your content. Use bold colors, clear images, and engaging text to entice viewers to click on your video. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate, driving more traffic to your channel. Tags. Additionally, using tags effectively can enhance your video's discoverability on YouTube. Tags help categorize your content and connect it with similar videos, making it easier for viewers to find your travel videos. Include a mix of broad and specific tags related to your niche, ensuring that you cover various aspects of your content. By focusing on these SEO strategies, you can maximize your reach and grow your audience, ultimately leading to greater monetization opportunities. Step 4. Monetize your travel videos through YouTube ads. Monetizing your travel videos through YouTube ads can significantly boost your income as a content creator. YouTube requirements. To get started, you must enable monetization on your YouTube channel by meeting the eligibility requirements. This typically includes having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these criteria, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, allowing you to earn revenue from ads displayed on your videos. Ad formats. Understanding the different ad formats available is crucial for maximizing your earnings. YouTube offers various ad types, including skippable ads, non-skippable ads, and display ads, each impacting your CPM, cost per thousand impressions, differently. Skippable ads may yield lower CPM, but can enhance viewer retention, while non-skippable ads often generate higher revenue, but may frustrate some viewers. Ads strategy. Experimenting with ad placements is essential to find the right balance between revenue and viewer experience. Consider placing ads at natural breaks in your content, such as after a segment or during transitions. This approach helps maintain viewer engagement while optimizing your earnings. By strategically monetizing your travel videos, you can turn your passion for travel into a sustainable source of income. Step 5. Promote your travel content across various platforms. Promoting your travel content across various platforms is essential for increasing visibility and attracting a larger audience. Create engaging posts. Start by sharing your videos on popular social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Create engaging posts that highlight your travel experiences and include snippets or teasers of your videos to entice followers to watch the full content on YouTube. Utilizing stories and reels can also help capture attention and drive traffic to your channel. Community engagement. Engaging with travel communities and forums is another effective way to increase visibility. Join groups on platforms like Reddit, Facebook, or travel-specific forums where you can share your insights and videos. By actively participating in discussions and providing valuable content, you can establish yourself as a trusted voice in the travel niche, encouraging members to check out your videos. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other travel content creators can further expand your reach. Partnering with fellow creators allows you to tap into their audience while providing fresh content for your viewers. Consider co-hosting a travel vlog, participating in challenges, or featuring each other's content. By promoting your travel videos across multiple platforms and collaborating with others, you can significantly enhance your online presence and grow your audience. Step 6. Analyze performance and adjust strategies. Utilize YouTube analytics. Analyzing the performance of your travel videos is crucial for ongoing success and growth. Utilize YouTube analytics to track viewer engagement and revenue metrics. This powerful tool provides insights into watch time, audience demographics, and traffic sources, helping you understand how viewers interact with your content. By regularly reviewing these metrics, you can identify patterns and trends that inform your future video strategies. See what resonates with audience. Pay close attention to which videos perform best and analyze the reasons behind their success. Look for common elements such as topics, video length, or presentation style that resonate with your audience. By replicating these successful aspects in future videos, you can enhance viewer engagement and increase your chances of monetization. Keep yourself up to date. Additionally, staying updated on trends in travel content is essential for keeping your videos relevant. Follow industry news, popular travel blogs, and social media influencers to discover emerging topics and styles. Incorporating current trends into your content can attract new viewers and keep your existing audience engaged. By continuously analyzing performance and adjusting your strategies, you can ensure that your travel videos remain fresh, appealing, and profitable in an ever-evolving digital landscape. Key takeaways for monetizing travel content. In this video, we explored essential strategies for successfully monetizing your travel content. We emphasize the importance of targeting the right audience, as understanding their demographics and interests is crucial for creating engaging and relevant videos. Quality content is paramount. Utilizing tools like Pictory can help you produce visually appealing and captivating travel videos that resonate with viewers. We also discuss the significance of optimizing your videos for YouTube SEO, enabling monetization through ads, and promoting your content across various platforms. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance your visibility, attract a larger audience, and ultimately increase your revenue potential. You might also look into other income opportunities like affiliate marketing. Check out other videos on this channel which talk about affiliate marketing in details. Ready to take the leap? Start creating travel videos that captivate audiences and attract high-paying ads. Click the link in the description to try Pictory and see just how effortless video creation can be. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Money AI Secrets, and hit the bell icon for more money-making hacks. Let's turn your travel dreams into income streams.